Good morning. It is Friday, April 3rd. I hope you guys are doing well. You're probably still sleeping. Good morning. Today is Friday, April 3rd, and I just wanted to touch base with you really quickly and give you a few reminders. Number one, your journal, slide number 9. So it's journal number 8, slide number 9 is due today. I will check those tomorrow morning. We are going to actually stop journaling after we get to slide 11. So we will journal today, Monday, and Tuesday next week, and then we're going to move on to something else. Okay, so journal number 8, which is slide number 9, get that done today. That's your work assignment for today. That's it. Unless you haven't finished the common lit assignment about the Facebook friends and the compare contrast question that I posted about the two common lit assignments. Okay, so if you haven't gotten those done, get those done today. I will check. I'm actually about to check right after this. I'm gonna update common lit grades. I just now updated journal grades through slide number 8. So if you're missing it, don't worry about it. Tomorrow morning, I will get that put in the gradebook for you. Okay. And again, if you miss a journal and you make it up, don't worry about emailing me. I check them every morning. So I'll update your grades every morning. Just so you know, next week we're going to have a little bit of a different format. So Monday and Tuesday, we will do journals like normal. And then starting on Wednesday, we're going to do a different type of check-in question, probably some kind of a grammar question. And I'm going to post a brand new format that will be starting on Monday. So be prepared for that. Okay. Make sure you check into Classroom sometime on Monday. Um, Other than that, that's all I have for you today. So I hope you have a great day. Get out and enjoy some sunshine. Make good choices. Stay away from people. I know it's super hard. We're starting to struggle in my house. So know that I'm thinking about you. And if you need anything, shoot me an email. Okay, bye.